You want your hair to grow very fast? Do this. The methods to grow hair faster can be tricky to implement, especially if what you want is a natural process. Getting your hair to grow quickly naturally is not that hard if you follow the methods. Next I will show you 6 natural remedies to make hair grow faster and even more abundant than it was before. 1. Frequently trim your hair. Although it may sound a bit contradictory, it works. The thing to cut is the tips. The hair cannot grow if the tips are open. This happens when we straighten and dry the hair regularly, so we have to cut the tips also regularly to promote growth. 2. Massage with oils on the scalp. Ask your partner or friend to massage the scalp. This is one of the safest methods to accelerate hair growth. Simply get a good hair oil and apply it. You will soon see your hair grow thicker, softer and longer. 3. Egg whites. Many people believe that this method to accelerate hair growth does not work, but egg whites contain vitamins that benefit the hair. Split a few eggs, remove the yolks, mix the whites and apply them on the hair. Immediately after, the hair will begin to feel healthier and stronger to grow faster, since as we all know the egg is also a rich source of protein, considered one of the essential foods for your body. 4. Drink water. Water is good for everything, and as for hair, it is a simple natural method to make it grow faster. 5. Brush the hair. You have to brush, but not excessively. Brushing your hair once or twice in the morning and once or twice a night stimulates the hair follicles and thereby growth. 6. Do not tumble dry. If you manage to reduce the use of the dryer while the hair grows, you will surely see the benefits of healthier hair with less open ends. When the use of the dryer is limited to 4 times a week, benefits are noted. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.